We are Cognibotics, a deep tech robotics company based in Sweden. We're developing the next generation of industrial robots based on decades of research at Lund University. What is our vision? To be the best robotic company in Europe.
More than 70% of warehouse picking jobs are still done manually. This is a striking gap as e-commerce and global supply chain push for faster, greener and more cost-efficient handling. Traditional robots are unable to solve this problem. They are either slow and heavy or do not have enough reach, and all of them are costly to integrate. The market needs is a new class of robot, a robot that finally combines speed and reach in a cost-efficient integration.
We are developing exactly this kind of robot, new benchmark combining reach and speed. Its patented structure achieves an unparalleled reach-to-weight ratio, consuming significantly less energy. Adding our unique software approach, we redefine integration and scalability for truly adaptive systems. The result, a breakthrough for productivity, versatility, and fast deployments, turning the business case into a game changer.
We have already proven the system with early adopters, and it's now at technology readiness level 6. Our EIC project will focus on moving industry standard forward in motion control and integration friendliness, making the system faster, smarter, and more cost efficient. This advanced software development is critical to our long-term success, to simplify the robot integration.
Our business model is partner first. We provide the core robotic platform and software, and certified system integrators deliver it to end users. This allows for rapid scaling and will position us to capture a significant share of the 45 billion euro robotics automation market. We have one of Europe's most experienced robotics teams. We're engineers, scientists, and business builders with backgrounds from ABB, Lund University, and top automation companies. Our team has spent decades pushing the boundaries of mechanical structures, robotic control software, and system integration. The next generation of automation does not need to come from Silicon Valley or Asia.
It should be built here in Europe. With the help of EIC Accelerator, we'll take European robotics to the next level, faster, smarter, and more sustainable.
We now have the technology, the team, and the momentum. Join us and help make Europe the leader in intelligent automation.